Usambut Menteri 𝗦𝗵𝗶𝗹𝗶𝗶 ubah Kemiru Ekatanat PWD Roads ubah Preston Tunsong 𝗦𝗵𝗶𝗶𝗶𝗏 𝗦𝗂𝗯𝘄𝘆 ke 𝗧𝗵𝗄 ke bagi 𝗦𝗂𝗯𝘄𝘆 𝗦𝗂𝗯𝘄𝘆 ℚ𝕬𝗂𝗃𝗄𝗯𝘄 Shillong Dauki. Habe kena bikin thok kubor ubah Preston Tunsong ulong bahadian bakladan ke jingjular bagajing syarong no juga benta ke surok Shillong Dauki kumta ke jingshnai ke surok 𝗧𝗵𝗄 ke layak cekmat bat menta ke lapoi syakawat ke bakado balak kemilinti bahapok juga 𝗦𝗂𝗯𝘄𝘆 ke 𝗧𝗵𝗄 baniat ki kali hakenek surok Shillong Dauki. Ulieto 𝗦𝗏𝗏 betha ke ℧𝗦𝐷CL bat kibor ke bedai kemi bantrai ke kam bat ulia keran mana kepor bat Deputy Commissioner SDO Civil bat ke officer jangkatanat PWD ban kemi beniak ke jinglong jingman ya ke rukam shnai ke surok. Ula pensyai ba ke surok Shillong Dauki ke de ke projek ke bela pentrai kam da ke Sarkar India lengba ke ℧𝗦𝐷CL hapo jangkatanat Road Transport and Highways. Bat kam de satya ke Sarkar Jela ke ba kemi bet-bet ya ke projek. De ke Sarkar Jela ba ke tanat PWD ge trailang bat ke ℧𝗦𝐷CL bat habami kinu-kinu ke jing ki bor penyak distrik ke Jelit Bantu Kelar Mardor. Ulong 𝗦𝗏𝗏 ban penpau bagi bashnai ke nek surok ke de ban penti kena bagi jing shnai ke nek surok ke de ban long ke bas ngohun bat ke basngan.
Issue ba menurut engage ki company ni dai kata it is not the state government. So bah kali na ka NHSL lani na ka Ministry of Road Transport. Kabangi lok concern mengi kolong bet one tray way ru kabalok kabangi kwa kolong badai ban pendep ya ka surok adil as possible. And see, the real issue here is about that, that portion where the road was washed away. So now instruction has been given to ℧𝗦𝐷CL with the company whom they selected for execution of work to create a subway there itself. So I'm happy to inform you that now creation of subway is almost in the final stage. The work is on, day and night this company are working, and I'm very sure hopefully within 1 week's time, right? Sir. Maybe within one week's time, we'll be able to again make this Shillong Dauki Road operationalized. Then Shillong Dauki Road, again, I'm telling you because this is not directly under the control of the state government. You are aware that. I think you know it well. This is done by the government of India through the ℧𝗦𝐷CL. Ministry of Road Transport has entrusted ℧𝗦𝐷CL to do all the needful. So, but from our side, from the state government and from the state PWD, we are also working together with the ℧𝗦𝐷CL. Any issues, any logical, any sensitive issues which they have or the challenges that they have, the state government step in, district administration step in. So that is the duty from the state government where we are doing it. And then we have already impressed upon them, and I've told them that you please make sure that the progress of work is satisfactory.